What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I buy Bitcoin and what I do after I purchase Bitcoin. Now, I use Cash App to purchase my Bitcoin, and I'll walk you through the steps. So first things first, you're going to load up the phone. You're going to go to the second tab to the right, the investing tab. Make sure you're under Bitcoin. Go to buy and enter your amount. In this example, I'm just going to do $20. Hit next, confirms your ID, and hit confirm. And boom, now you have Satoshis. Now, Bitcoin seems intimidating having one Bitcoin. However, one Bitcoin is 100 million Satoshis, so don't feel discouraged if you have a fractional amount of Bitcoin. So once you have the Bitcoin on your Cash App, what do you do now? I mean, you could keep it on your exchange. However, I don't recommend keeping Bitcoin on an exchange. I recommend buying a Nano Ledger. Now, this ledger is only $50, and I'll put the link in the description below, and it gets the job done. So I have my ledger here, and I have my Bitcoin that I just purchased. Next step I have to do is send it to the ledger. So what do you do? Okay, well, I go to the ledger app on my PC. I type in my password, and now I'm at my ledger where you can see your accounts. I just use Bitcoin. That's the only asset I'm buying. And I go to receive. So once you hit receive, you want to plug in your ledger to the micro USB cable. So I'm plugging in the ledger, entering my PIN. Now, when you make the ledger, it's going to have a 24 password phrase that you want to write down. This phrase you want to write down on a piece of paper, and you want to store the piece of paper. That 24 word phrase is going to allow you to be able to recover your wallet if you ever were to lose the ledger. So I'm entering my PIN. Now I hit confirm. I load up the Bitcoin application. I hit continue. And now the next step I have to do here is show QR code. Now, what's cool on Cash App, once you have the Bitcoin in your app, you're going to hit the send button. You're going to send Bitcoin, and you're going to scan the QR code. Scan the QR code, type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to send in Satoshis. Now, you can change it to Satoshis in the settings, which is what I did. So it's an easier whole number to send. So now I have Satoshis typed in here. I bought 20 more. I was testing out the video, so I'm going to send $40, and I hit send. I hit confirm and enter my PIN. Boom, withdrawal is initiated. Hit done. And now on the ledger, I want to confirm the address. So I confirm the address, and boom, address shared securely. I hit done, and then it's just a matter of waiting. The money should hit here. You synchronize it up, and there it goes. It went up ever so slightly. However, this is the best way to add Bitcoin, in my opinion. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. That's all it really takes, guys. It just took a couple minutes, and boom. Now I have my Bitcoin on my ledger. And if I was ever to lose this ledger, I have my 24-word passphrase to recover the amount of Bitcoin on this ledger on a new ledger. So you just recover your old address onto your new ledger. But this keeps Bitcoin off an exchange in your own hands. You don't have to worry. Let's say Bitcoin reached 100K one day, 200K one day, and you have to confirm your ID, your social security, all these loopholes you got to go through just to move your Bitcoin. It's your Bitcoin. It should be in your possession, which is why I recommend having your own private wallet, private keys. That way, if something was to go crazy in this world, you have it in an instant. You could take it from the ledger, you can send it back to a wallet on your phone, and you can go out and do whatever you want to do with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I buy Bitcoin. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, guys. And if you're new watching my channel, I do daily stock market breakdowns. And in 2021, I plan on doing more Bitcoin related videos, guys. But on that note, guys, take care. Peace!